it's Kathleen from Three Sisters, Three Stitchers, and I thought I would do a floss tube today on an unboxing from an order I placed at Lindy Stitches. So Stephanie and Jason, thank you very much. It came really quickly. I placed the order about 11 o'clock one night, and the next morning I saw that a shipping label was created, and I think by the end of the day it was in the mail. So let's see what we got. It is heavy. It is heavy. I've been wanting this for a very long time. All right. Look at all the goodies that are in here. Oh my goodness. That is heavy. All right, so let's see what we got. Got a very cute little chart and a little card from Stephanie. Very cute. We've got some Vespro Lemon Hand and Body Cream. That's a freebie. And another freebie is some lip balm. It is orange, SPF 50. Excellent. And we've got, oh, she sent some little thank you, some little chocolates. And let's see. Oh, this is the floss I was looking for. This is Dinky Dyes. This is Camo Green. 100% silk. Beautiful. And we have two things of the Bowen needles that I ordered, a 26 and a 28. You always need needles, right? Even though I know I probably have a pack or two of these somewhere, I always need more. And the big purchase. The big purchase, and I'm very excited, is an Omanik frame. So this is an L60, and that should work with the dimensions of my fabric there. And these are the crossbars for the Omanik, and I think Stephanie has a video on how you put these on. If not, I know Omanik has a video on their website of how you put them on. And they have a stretcher bar on them to hold the size of your fabric. And the reason I bought them is I'm trying to work on a design, and I'm just finding it very frustrating. So it's a chatelaine design I'm working on. Lots of beading, and I don't seem to be getting too far on it in a Q-snap. I've tried a hoop. I just spent forever right now trying to iron out all the hoop marks that are on my fabric, which frustrates me to no end because I can never get them out. And once you get the beading done and you get the hand-dyed floss in, you really cannot wash this or get it too wet in order to iron it out. So I would like to keep it on this frame and use it solely on this frame. So it's an Omanik factory. I know I have to watch the video again, but I know these basically, they slide in, and this part, there's connector bars. They basically will connect to your fabric to hold the sides of your fabric very tight. So I'll take a photo and post it on my Instagram later once I get it all together. I'll show you real quick the design I'm working on. This is the chatelaine. This is the center. It's a bluebell lace mandala, and that is the centerpiece without the beading. And now I need to do the rest of the design, which is quite large. And I just think it's going to be easier to do on this Omanik frame. And I have used so many different scroll frames and basically given them away because I don't like them. So I'm hoping that I really enjoy this frame, and it seems like a lot of chatelaine stitchers are using it. So if you're interested, go watch the videos. Go check out Stephanie's site, Lindy Stitches. She's a dealer for Omanik, so she has them in stock. And go check it out. See if it's something that you would like around. It's O-M-A-N-I-K, Omanik. All right, so that's all I got today, guys. So have a good day. Enjoy your stitching. Bye.